you want to do another episode of Cooking with FIA? Shit, say less. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Cameraman!
What the fuck is she? Where the fuck is she? What the fuck?
Cameraman! Good, you found me. We're doing another episode. Get ready.
Done. But I had so much left to do.
Hey guys. Going. Today we're making. Guess what? It's a secret. Ramen noodles. Hey guys, this is what you do to get the bowls nice and ready for your ramen noodles. You give a good little shake, and then that's how it's done. Again. Oh shit! Did I say that? Hey guys, nice to see you again. Come with me. Come this way. We're venturing to get off. Hey, cameraman, you lesbo. We're just grabbing some ramen noodles. Okay. Anyways, now that we got our ramen noodles, we're gonna. This is what you do. Are you getting this, cameraman? Oh. Karate. Oh, this is you guys. So here, you need some lettuce for those vegetables. Notice that. Now we got our lettuce in our mouth. We gotta chop them all away like this. And that's how you, sorry. That's how you break the noodles. Yeah, so then, you see this big spoon here, Amber? You scoop the cat butt. Gets that flavor. Add some of that in there. And you're good to go. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? No, I'm not coming in. I have told you a million times. I'm not a fucking dancer anymore, okay? Call me one more time. Call me one more time and try me, okay? Bye. Sorry about that. You are sexy. Don't ever change that. You know, you are beautiful. Sorry, let me get that for you. Oh shit. Anyways, I was on my break. If you didn't realize, obviously you didn't. But we're back to our cooking. We're being perverted. pervert from fucking family. Okay. So take the noodles. Now that they're nice and mashed up. ASMR. Listen to this. Listen to this. Come here. Come close. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Alright, that's the way you want them. So dump these bad boys in here. Don't need that till later. Okay. Take this. On me. Fuck. On me. Take this. For me. Now. I'm gonna use some tap water. Right? Or, hey, over here. I like to use a nice water dispenser. Like this. But make sure there's something under it so you don't make a fucking mess on the floor like I did. Anyways, we'll just use this one for today. It's nice and convenient. Nice day today we're having, hey? Test the water temperature. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. You probably swim in that and be a little chilly, but not bad. So, when most of your noodles are like covered about, you're gonna want to do the same thing to the other package because you gotta feed everyone in this house because everyone's too lazy to cook. We're back. So now that you have your 2 bowls, one for yourself, one for Abraham Lincoln. If you recall in the last Cooking with FIA, we made onion yang, I think. Yeah, we talked about Abraham Lincoln a little bit. Yeah, make one of those bowls right here. Fun fact, he actually loves ramen noodles. So, That's how it goes. Open up your microwave. Don't get hit in the head. Pop these bad boys in here. Like that. And yeah. No. Say bye. Oh, I love you. And say bye. See you guys in the next video. Oh, Bessie! You dumb cow! Get inside! Dumb cow. Okay. Now, we have to actually turn on our ramen noodles. Hey, go off me one more time. You're dumb. So we want to do here.
Help me. She's gonna kill me.
Shut up. Talk more. Keep in the sword. No, I'm not good. Okay. And then we're back. 5-0-0. 5 minutes. Stop. It's not believable me. Start. Now we just wait 5 minutes and I'll see you when our 5 minutes is up. Hey guys, this is old Bessie. Anyways, sorry about that. So come over here. For a nice slider drawer. So we can have chopsticks if you want to use chopsticks for your ramen noodles, forks, spoons, knives, whatever you want. Today I think I'm just gonna be going with forks. Not this one though. It's a little man. It's a little messed up. Okay. Okay. Anyways, now we have our forks. We're still waiting 3 minutes and 3 minutes. I was gonna say seconds, but seconds went down like a clock does. Anyways, see you guys in the next minute. 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. Come here, dance with me, dance with me. That is the dance Abraham Lincoln taught me to do with the dog to tame it. See, now it is calm and soft and eat that later, maybe. Mate, no, listen here. Animal cruelty and abuse is wrong. If you do that, I will find you. And I will watch you. Hey guys, so we have almost 15 seconds left on our clock. And after that, our noodles will be nice, and you want them to be a yellowy texture, and you want them to be kind of like a mush. Not so mushy, it's like puree, but you know, shut up. You know, so now it's done. We'll see how these bad boys look. Oh, they're hot. Not even close to done. Let's put them back in for a little bit. See you guys then. Today I'm a little thirsty. Refreshing. Okay, what are you doing? You're just turning off. Oh, not bad. What the fuck are you doing? What I do? Not even one in this pizza. Peace. Welcome back to Cooking with FIA. Now that we're back and everything's good, our noodles are finally done. So, you see here, go. Take these bad boys out, put them down, give it a little mix, okay? And you don't want that much broth because it takes away all the flavor from the noodles, so you're just gonna drain half the fucking noodles out. Drain. Is it too much for you, cameraman? Drain. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Drain. How about that? It's good? Okay. With about this much liquid contacts left, you come over here. You give this thing a few shakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's all good. Go, Jen. Then open it. Yay! 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 And then you throw it out like this. Kobe. And I'll show you guys what to do in the rest of the Hey guys, welcome back on me. Hey guys, welcome back. Now that you have your authentic milked right from a cow beef powder, you're gonna stir it. Just get all that up in there. And there's this video I mean my cameraman are gonna recreate. So I'm gonna stir it. Ready?
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Akbar! And that's the video. It's a Vine. Vine's dead. Rip Vine. That's okay. Go on TikTok. There's great stuff there. So here is your ramen noodles. In this episode of Cooking with FIA, I taught you how to make beef ramen noodles. One for you and one for Abraham Lincoln. I will see you guys in the next Cooking with FIA.